Hello everyone, this is Nishant, your host and host for the journey to Victoria Peak, Hong Kong. Even you can explore sunset from the peak via same video. You can book tickets for Peak Tram online via Peak Tram official website and enjoy priority access. Today it's really crowded, so if it's crowded, please make sure you are occupying seat in the tram, as it is very difficult to stand and travel in the tram. We have started now. You can experience the inside view from the tram. Even you can experience the buildings are falling down once you travel back via tram. As you can see, we have reached to the upper terminus, the Victoria Peak building entrance. Once we entered inside, we can see many shops having toys, keychains, stickers, purse, monuments, bags and many things which are very attractive. Some are cute, and of course these are the memories for tourist people which they can take back with them to their countries. As you can see, it's afternoon time and we have reached to the Victoria Peak, but we are very hungry, so we decided to have lunch before going to the Victoria Peak. So nearby we have a Peak Gallery building where Madame Tussauds Wax Museum is located. In the same building, we have many restaurants to dine in. In all those restaurants, we opted for McDonald's. You can experience the saloon photo point. Yes, it is a special one only for dogs. As you can see, people are dressing their dogs and having photos. The rest of the dogs are waiting for their turn. Now we are going back to the Victoria Peak building. This is the Victoria Peak Tower with Sky Terrace 428. A Vogue-shaped structure is famous for its viewing platform, Sky Terrace 428. It is named as it stands 428 meters above one of the world's most stunning cityscapes. So now I am taking my sweetheart to the top of Hong Kong to express endless love at the giant hut sky at Sky Terrace 428. I am really excited and cannot wait long to experience the breathtaking view from the peak. We took elevator to go to the peak. finally we reached the peak. It's really awesome, which I cannot explain with mere words. I guess you can experience the same which I do now via video. Please enjoy the 360-degree view of Victoria Peak. So this is the same path between the Victoria Peak Tower and the Peak Gallery. Here you can see an amazing view of the sun behind the clouds, and its shades are pouring on the sea. I guess one of the couple is enjoying their photo shoot of the pre-wedding. This is the wishing corner. You can express your endless love at the peak by saying, "I love you, peak." Here you can see from top the same tram which we traveled. It's really an amazing and breathtaking view. I am trying to capture all the views from the Victoria Peak so that I cannot miss any sharing with you. This is the sunset view from one of the angle. It's really amazing and it's very calm. Front angle, you can see the sunset from the peak. This is a time-lapse video showcasing the amazing skyline of Hong Kong. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Please to support us by subscribing, like and share.